But there was a gator right there. Hopefully I got him on film.
Yeah, he's right there.
Oh, there he is. There he is. Right there at the boat ramp too. I feel like I'm in Florida. And there's some doggies going to check him out. Good luck. There's probably more of them in these little marshes. I'm thinking twice about peeing in the water right now. Sure is a beautiful day. What was that? You just spooked something.
What I spooked?
Something big.
Could have been a gar sitting on top or something. Could have been an alligator. It's got bubbles.
Water is so flat today.
Show what we got here. Got that. No. You got a croaker. Teeny tiny croaker. Well, now the skunk's off. We broke the skunk. Even if it's just a little guy. We'll put him, hear him croaking. That's why they call him croaker. The shrimp is bigger.
Can you believe this green
The
guy?
shrimp is bigger than the fish.
Alright, he's going in the freezer for bait.
The shrimp is bigger than the
Literally.
fish.
This is one greedy guy.
Fish on, guys. Fish on. She's got a pretty good one. A pretty solid hit. See what she's got. Oh yeah, it's got a little tug to him. Big old gafftop.
Oh my, I was like, where's he digging?
Oof. Big old gafftop. You want to keep him?
Stay there, buddy. I got you hooked. It's no pun either.
Good fish, guys. Good fish. She's got a good fish. Just on this rig here. Oh. Big trout.
Can you get him away from the boat? Oh,
Big trout.
Oh,
Big trout. Look at the size of that trout.
dude.
Hang on.
Yeah, weak mouth. Got him! Woo! Good job,
Look at the
baby.
size of that trout, guys.
Wow, he's fat.
Woo! Alright, when I was hooked up on the trout, Karen had this black drum that she was hooked up on, so we'll measure him up. See what he's at. He might be a perfect eating size.
What do they have to be?
14.
He's 13.
Just a little bit short.
13 and a half.
Alright. Yeah, 14.
Sorry, guys.
Alright, let's measure up this trout. Beautiful trout. And he is at
19. Good job.
18 and a half.
18 and a half.
18 and a half. Nice solid trout.
Hold him so close to the water, babe.
Nice solid trout there.
Yeah, that's a nice one.
Good thick, good thick. Another one. She got another drum. Another black drum. Looks to be about the same size, maybe a little bigger. There you go. And a nice fish. Measure him up. She's got it. Whoa, something big just jumped over there.
There he is.
Measure him up and we'll see. 13 again. We'll get bigger. Got a good one this time. Got a good one this time. Ooh, nice trout again.
Oh, yeah.
Nice trout. Nice trout. Look at that.
Woohoo!
Look at that.
Yeah.
Nice trout, baby.
Nice, good one.
Good trout. Good trout.
Woohoo!
Still, I always grip them tight. All right. Look at that one. Hold it up. Let's see it.
Oh, he's slimy too.
Yeah. Very good. Very nice. Nice. Let's get the board. Oh, I took the down. She was fishing a jig head, basically free line jig head on the bottom, kind of like drifting through the water column with it.
He is 17 inches. That's
17.
super, right?
That's a beautiful. Yep, they only have to be 15 here. But very, very nice trout.
Alright guys, I just have a jig head here and I'm just hooking right through the horn with this shrimp, and we're casting near this rig.
And what that allows it to do is it allows it to fall, the shrimp can flip around, and it gets you can get all the way through the water column. It's a little bit like a Texas rig, a little bit like a Carolina rig. It has a lot of that same action, but it's just a jig head with a live shrimp on it. Works pretty well. She's hooked up again, that same rig. She's doing really good with this rig. Really good with this rig. Very easy rig to use. Oh, nice red. Oh, look at all the reds.
Oh my god.
Reds everywhere.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, okay. Woo! Red mama.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, it's okay. It's all right. Let him go, let him go, let him go. Don't have to horse him. He'll get in. Just keep him away from the. There you go. Oh, again, they're all around. No, it's another red. I think it's a red or it's a shark.
It was a shark, man.
It's a shark. Well, get him up here. Here we go. Ah, there we go. Look at that.
Wow. Oh my god.
Man.
Dude.
Look at
Now
that.
I wonder what I had.
Woo!
Wow.
Solid red. Let me get the fish grips. Solid red. Oh my goodness.
Oh wow.
He's a heavy one. Get the hook out. Let's see. He's not. He's slot.
He is
26.
26?
Look at that.
Wow.
26 inches. That's a
Wow.
good. This would be a tournament day trout.
Yeah, man.
I'm tournament day trout. Look at me. Tournament day redfish.
You just need some.
I need the the adrenaline. It's just the adrenaline.
He's so happy. He's so
Woo!
Oh my god.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Official one. Another one. Another black drum. He's been after it. Same size though, and maybe a little bigger. Still grunting on that same type of rig. Yeah, I think he's about 13 again. Yep.
You better not be the same
13.
fish.
Yeah, I know. I mean, it's just been a while since we've caught trout like that. I guess coming from the Aransas Pass Corpus area, the trout were just smaller.
Well, after that freeze, they were all like puny.
Yeah.
Now you feel like you got a giant.
I know. You get these and they're nice and thick and they're healthy.
They might be 18 inches, but they feel like a 23 inch.
Yeah, so that's just that's good stuff right there. It's good stuff.